Hello, I'm Michael Hull, and this presentation is part of my WSU EMBA Capstone project. In this presentation, I will go over recent survey analysis conducted with gurus and customers for my proposed wellness plan initiatives for our organization. This week, I conducted surveys to test my hypothesis regarding the value propositions for wellness initiatives laid out in my proposed business plan. I was able to meet with 4 gurus and 6 customers to conduct this survey. In terms of gurus, I feel I was able to get an excellent group for these interviews. Seth Zirksner is a national expert on behavior change, program design, and measurement. He spent a decade each in academia and private industry before becoming a consultant. He was VP of Research at Staywell, where he established the industry-leading market research program for developing and marketing consumer health materials and programs. He has held academic positions with the University of Hawaii Medical School, the Cancer Research Center of Hawaii, and the University of California, Irvine. Seth earned a Master of Public Health from the University of California, Los Angeles, and a doctorate from the University of California, Irvine, where his research focused on health promotion and disease prevention and social ecology. He is a board member, executive member, and vice president of the C. Everett Koop Health Project. He also sits on the editorial review board of the American Journal of Health Promotional Edits and is reviewer for peer review journals such as the Journal of Occupation and Environmental Medicine and Affairs. Deanne Whiteside is the West Zone leader for Total Health Management Specialty Practice. Prior to coming to Mercer, she was with WebMD as VP of Employer Segment, working with employers both ongoing and in sales on their wellness programs. She held multiple wellness-related roles prior to that and is a clinical psychologist by training. Dr. Davenport is the Chief Medical Officer for Signal Health. Signal Health is an accountable care organization, or ACO, established in Yakima, Washington. ACOs will utilize similar approaches to population wellness initiatives to reduce overall cost of care. Jolene Seda is the Human Resources Director for Yakima Valley Memorial Hospital and is responsible for development of wellness programs for our organization. I will look to collaborate with her for introduction of my proposed wellness plan. I was able to get a range of customers that should give diverse responses to survey questions. Although these responses will not be statistically significant for assuming representation of general population responses, I do feel they will provide different perspectives that will be valuable for my research. My value proposition is that we will create value to the customer while driving savings to the self-insured plan. All respondents said that they would utilize an on-site clinic and would create value to them, with 4 out of 5 saying the service offering would reduce work absences. My survey results from customers confirmed that some, but not all, would find value in access with all service offerings. This is consistent with the desired business plan in which a target segment exists. Wellness can be a broad range of services, but parts of my business plan is specific to some entry strategies that won't necessarily reach all employees in terms of benefits. It will be important to understand this dynamic so that we do not alienate any portion of the population for future wellness offerings. The Guru surveys all confirm that my proposed services have value and support ROI. They all stated that ROI can be difficult to calculate since there are a wide range of benefits for wellness plans, many of which are not directly attributed to measurable metrics. Finding useful metrics that will help with administrative support will be important in this business plan. All gurus also stated that the benefit of my service offerings are clear, but the determining factors for success lie with the leadership support and customer engagement. The key factors for success are sustained support, participation, and role modeling of administration and leadership, along with strong engagement strategies that lead customers to service offerings. ROI estimates are mostly 3 or more years, although my proposed offerings will likely have success within the first 2 years. I do not need to pivot as a result of these surveys and will proceed with further testing of my proposed business plan.